Hey, AT from CNC at Home. For my 3018 Pro CNC router, I was in need of some new V-bits. I kind of gone through all the ones I had, doing various things. They kept getting dull or breaking or chipping, so I decided to invest in some a little bit higher quality ones. So the SainSmart website has, what do they call it? Nano Blue Coat engraving bits. Bam! Yeah, focus on that. Look at that. So, I got these ordered, and obviously they've shown up. They're a little more expensive than some other off-brands, and I want to give them a try to see how well they work. So, let's take a look at some pictures I took. I took these out of the package, and unfortunately the very first one I took out was dull. The tip was not the 0.1 millimeters that it was supposed to be, nowhere close. I could tell just by looking with the naked eye that was wrong. And so let me show you a few pictures of what I found. Let's take a look.
Here are a couple pictures from the SainSmart website. Look at the nice, clean, even-sized, pointy, sharp. This is what I got. Random sizes are all lined up at the bottom. The links are different, and you can even see over on the right-hand side, the tip of that is not sharp. Here they're all lined up at the top, and you can see the varying lengths of each of these bits. Let's add a line to connect the edges here. And those don't even line up. So the angles of these bits aren't even the same. So not real good quality control here. Here you can see all the tips. The one on the lower right, very dull, and as you go clockwise around, they get a little sharper, and then the last 5 are sharp. So, really disappointed in these. Not going to buy them again.
Oops.
Hi, I'm AT from CNC at Home. If you like our content, help support our channel by clicking on subscribe and liking our videos. Thank you for watching this video. Have fun with your CNC at Home projects.